An explosion littered the ground with earthquakes. Hot, melted rock soared through the air. Smoke crowded out all the sunlight. Living around the Indian Ocean was dangerous. The volcano Toba erupted 75,000 years ago and was extremely devastating towards all the environment. Why is this volcano so destructive to the environment for such a small little, thing? Well, to figure that out, we need to get to the science of things. All plants carry out a process called photosynthesis. It happens in the cells of the plant in this little tiny toy box called the chloroplast. This is where the plant takes water molecules, carbon dioxide molecules, and some ATP, or energy, from the sun to turn it into this little thing called glucose. Yeah, this little thing right here. Oh, and oxygen. You can't forget about the stuff we breathe. The funny thing is, our entire biosphere is based on our little plants making this one molecule. Yeah, that one again. Let's talk about us now. All living animals on Earth use this process called cellular respiration. It also happens in their cells, but this happens in another toy box called the mitochondria. What's it, you ask? The mitochondria. The thing in your cell that takes time to break down all the taco that you ate for lunch. Well, back to the science. Do you remember how I took water molecules and carbon dioxide to produce glucose and oxygen? Well, cellular respiration is basically the reverse of this. We take glucose and oxygen to break down that down to water molecules, carbon dioxide, and the energy that had it. The only thing is, where do we get this from? Oh yeah, that thing. Yeah, okay. That's how we eat vegetables and, other animals to get the energy we need to walk, talk, and sit here and process this information. So now I can go back and see how the volcanoes are so destructive. You see, volcanoes produce ash and smoke whenever they blow up. This smoke covers a large area, choking out all sunlight. Now the plants have no sunlight to photosynthesize, so they turn over and basically die. Well, now the plants are all dead, so what do the animals do? They also, with nowhere to go, turn over and die since there is no energy to respire and not enough oxygen to break it down. Okay, so that's why volcanoes are worse than they look. It's because it has a lot more to do with red hot molten rock. But like Arnold Schwarzenegger, they will all be back.